That's it. 6 feet.
That's right, that's right, that's right.
Well, here we are with my friend and the neighbor, Jorge. I live right behind his house to the left, one house over. And he's the proud owner of the Jeep Wrangler Sahara.
Sahara.
Tell me about the Sahara. Why did you choose this car?
I've had it for basically 2 years now. Got it because I've always had a sedan. Wanted something easier to get in and out of. I'm a little taller than usual. And I wanted something fun for the kids as well. Something that...
For the big kid as well.
No, for me, yeah. And keep the top down. But also, I wasn't allowed to get a pickup truck. I wanted one. But this has been just as useful. So I'm able to open up the...
I guess the boss inside the house.
My wife is the issue. Yeah.
Well, I have one there that you can
that I can use later for the weekend. No, so I'm able to open up this back window, put in 2x4s, any long items that I need to get at Home Depot because we just finished remodeling the house, and this was the next best option basically. But it's been great.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car, and I have to say this new generation of the Jeep Wrangler is hugely improved from the previous.
Yes.
Everything, the design,
drivetrain, motor,
everything, yeah.
Suspension,
transmission, the capability. This is the Sahara. I have driven the Rubicon version of it, the one more,
the nice one, the diesel.
Well, both the diesel and the gas engine too. But the Rubicon is more what they call it trade rated. So that thing goes over anything. And
Correct.
actually I drove it on the Rubicon Trail in California.
Okay.
And it's really, really, really amazing. But
here I'm on the highway and going to the supermarket. So
we have the Everglades. I have a trail there. Okay. Whenever you want to go,
let's go. We can
do it. But anyway, enough about that. Well, one more thing. Just yesterday I came back from Detroit where I went to see or celebrate the 55th anniversary of the Bronco and see the new generation Bronco, which I have to say, when you say it, you probably gotta switch your...
most likely. Between the Bronco and the new Defender is the next option.
Yeah, exactly. So, but anyway, here today we're enough about the car, but
I still love the Jeep though. The Jeep has been fantastic.
So I brought you a gift, and actually I have given you a gift already before. Small one, but you tell me what that one was so useful. I mean, when I saw it, it's like, really? Do people make this?
So it's a little insert basically that you put on the hand grab and on the passenger side seat. It's been great because I don't like putting my sunglasses in the sun, which is on the top part of the dashboard. And so I've been using that for my sunglasses, for my wallet, so it's not as exposed. And I don't like putting everything in the console because I want easier access to it. So just reaching over towards the passenger seat's been awesome.
So thumbs up to that accessory.
Thumbs up.
But again, I mean that is put where the handle in the front of the passenger seat is. Have you missed the use of the handle from?
No, I mean it's not too high. I didn't put a lift on this Jeep, so people are easily in and out. And I mean,
and you're not driving crazy that your wife has to hunt
that thing. No. The school pickups and everything, it doesn't require the.
So anyway, now we're gonna add even more capability to your Jeep if you want to open it, because now we have, you see, as you were saying, you had a lot of
yes. So I take the
4x4s, all the stuff.
I take the kids to the beach, it gets full of sand.
Yeah, exactly. And actually, we live here in Miami, and believe it or not, I've been here in Miami for a long time. And I think like the actual production of going to the beach, take the handle.
Correct. You have to take
I've done it like twice because I hate the whole thing, like the car is dirty and all that, but that's another story. So anyway, this comes like nicely covered with carpet and all that. But here's the
so
best thing.
Jeep standard comes with the rubber matting for the back and front seats, but I don't know why they don't give it for you for the back.
Yeah, because for the Sahara the carpet is like an upgrade, but really it's not really. So here we are. Let's see. So here it is. It's just, we can say just a piece of plastic, but it's very well engineered. Oh.
Yep.
because it has all the inserts for the hooks, so you won't lose that. Let's see which way it goes. I think it goes this way, right?
I like how it has the treads. No?
Yeah, that's pretty nice. So here you go. Let's see. Are we sure it's okay? I think it is. So here, actually, on this side, you can see it has a bigger, a larger
since
lip.
the subwoofer is an extra.
So it wouldn't come with it.
It should be this same width.
The same width.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the shape of this thing is different than this
Correct.
one.
So if you take out the sub,
that will be the shape, the original shape of it.
Correct. Yeah.
So now here it is, and now your next task is to get it dirty.
Yeah. And we will most likely be going to the beach this weekend, so
Okay, send me a picture then.
we'll put it to the test.
Yeah, exactly. And let's see if it closes correctly and everything. Oops, no. This first.
Perfect.
There you go. Send me a picture from the beach.
I will.
Get it really dirty, and then we'll see how it goes.
I will. Thank you.
Thank you.